Alrighty, so today I am just going to show you all how to do an AC compressor. 2008 Chevy Cobalt, 2.2 liter. This applies for most GM vehicles with the 2.2 liter and 2.4. Maybe even the 2 liter. I'm not sure if the compressor is placed in the same spot. But I already swapped this one out. So I'm just going to give you a how-to on how to do it. So first things first, remove the passenger front tire. In my case, it was just a 4-bolt, some are 5-bolt. It's a 19 millimeter or 3/4 inch socket to remove the lug nuts. And then you'll have this plastic shield here's the guard. It's just sitting, covering this area here. I had a couple push tabs, one right here. You'll have a couple little screws, one here. Mine's all broken in here, so I only took a few out. And then underneath you'll have another bolt right here. Those are 7 millimeters. Another one right here. And then I'm able to move it freely. There's a tab up in there under the bumper, but I was able just to pull this back. But anyways, there's the compressor. And mine doesn't have a shield under here. Your cars will probably. This thing's kind of a beater. But lots of room. So it's up in there. So it's fairly straightforward. So I'll show you on the old one here. There's going to be 3 bolts. So one here, one there, and then one on the side. And they're all fairly accessible. I didn't really have to take anything else off. You got this your plastic clip here. It's just 2 push tabs. Squeeze them out, pop it out. Very easy. But what you want to do first is remove your serpentine belt. So tensioner is right there. Right there. Sorry for the... So I don't have the proper tool, serpentine belt removal tool. So what I did was, all you gotta do is push that end up. Once you push it up, you can pull the bottom half of the belt up. Done. So I just got this big pry bar looking thing. So what I did was, I just put it underneath there, like so, and I pushed up just enough to release the belt. So put enough tension on it to loosen it up. Done. But all it is yeah, you just, that guy right there, push it up. It doesn't take a lot of force, and your belt will release tension. Slide it off. Done. Okay, so next steps. If you are changing your AC compressor, make sure that the system is empty. It's not really good for the environment and yourself. So if you can, if you have a machine, or take it to a shop, get the Freon removed from your system. Once that is done, come underneath, and then you start with those 3 bolts. So there's 1,